Hi, everybody. How y'all doing? Good to see everybody. Welcome, 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 ladies and gentlemen. This is the War Room. This is where we keep track of the po-po when our family is on the go. That's all we do in here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have a new project I started just for you guys. I took over all of the traffic lights here in the city of San Francisco, and when we go to the after party, we got green lights the whole way. Any intersection we come toward, green, 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 green. Like we even follow those signals anyway. All right, hey.
Jamie, the buses are here.
Hey, boss, the people are here. Let's put them together and get this thing going. Hey, Toretto!
I got this, Jamie.
That's the big guy. That's the big guy.
Just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI is about to raid your location.
Ooh, happy Wednesday!
Man, they always ruining our fun.
It gets worse.
Oh, boy.
They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Shaw? That cockroach we beat down in Spain? What's he got to do with this?
Everything.
Nothing yet.
Nothing yet.
And let's keep it that
Why
way.
are we talking about
Get those
it?
people on those buses.
Oh, boy, okay.
You need to start bugging out right
You're
now.
bugging me out.
And get that turbo truck ready. I'm sending Letty there to pick it up.
I've got this, boss.
I'm on it.
Why do I work here?
Hobbs needs our help. He needs our team.
We need you guys.
Spread the word.
Tell your mama.
But keep it in our family.
Tell your daddy.
And keep it quiet.
But don't tell Nana. She talks a whole lot, you know. Oh, this
It's
guy.
Hobbs. Hobbs, my man. What up?
Sorry, Brother Taj, no time for chit-chat. I just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
No.
Yeah.
Maybe.
He wants us to get
Did y'all
everybody
get
over to the
filled
party
in?
at
I was not
Sullivan's.
filled in.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going. We need to discuss how you're going to get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
Civilians, I remember when you were family.
Okay, hold on. Let me get everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones. We don't want Shaw tracking your location.
I don't want this guy calling back.
Okay, Jamie, you heard the man. It's about to go to a whole nother level.
Like my blood
Send
pressure.
everybody to the loading dock.
And listen, wow, that was abrupt. Okay, you're going to the loading dock. It's going to be fine. If there's any issues, remember, family's got your back. But also remember, family got you into this. So I know there's a lot of conflicting feelings right now. Yeah, a lot of issues you're dealing with. Bye, guys.
You do not need your 3D glasses just yet. I will let you know when to put them on. Now we're supposed to be receiving a radio transmission from Roman and Letty. Let me see if I can patch them in to our monitors. Give me a second. Hey, yo, Roman, Letty, you get to patch into the monitors.
My name is Roman Pierce.
What's up, Roman?
Pleased to meet you. Buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you Shaw for a while. We brought you in our secret spot.
Alright, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you. But to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us. So put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone can use.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Okay, pull into the next bay and we'll meet you in there.
Alright, so we're gonna go into the next room. There is a party happening. So we need to lay low. And I'll let them know that we're here. And if they will find that international light. So remember, lay low, lay low, lay low. Hey, what up?
Party's over. Everybody out. This is the FBI. Turn that music off.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Bill?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got you. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss. You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Oh, man.
It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
Something tells me it's about to get fast, and to say it with me, furious.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn. Move!